What if nature could speak? What would it say about us and itself?
If nature could talk for 5 minutes, this is what it would say.
And you shall find unity with the cosmos.
Every morning, I rise not just to light your world, but to keep it alive. I am the sun. I am older than your cities, older than your stories. Without me, your crops would die, your oceans would freeze, your hearts would stop beating. I warm your skin, paint your skies, and wake your world every day. Yet you rarely look up and say thank you. Still, I rise again tomorrow, because giving light is who I am.
Hello, beautiful world. Time to set and bring some peace.
Hello there, traveler. Welcome to my forest. It's a beautiful day for a walk. Enjoy the peace and quiet.
I am the tree. I breathe so you can breathe.
I turn sunlight into oxygen and carbon into life.
I shelter birds, insects, animals, and sometimes lonely humans.
You carve your names on my skin. You cut me down for paper, houses, and fire.
But I do not complain, because giving is my nature.
I feed you with the sweet-scented fruits that I produce without thinking twice. When you hug me, you are hugging the past, present, and future at once.
Hello, tree!
Hello, little one. Come here.
I love you!
I love you too.
I am in your tears, your blood, your breath. I am water. I move through clouds, rivers, oceans, and through you. I clean your body, grow your food, and shape your planet. You call me beautiful when I fall as rain, but curse me when I flood your cities. Remember, I only follow the laws of nature. I reflect your sky, your face, and sometimes your soul.
I am the wind. You cannot see me, but you feel me.
I carry seeds, clouds, scents, and whispers across the world. I cool your skin, push your sails, and sing through the trees. Sometimes I am gentle, sometimes I am a storm, but I am always free.
I'm the one behind his anger in stormy days.
I am the earth, your silent guardian. In the quiet of the night under these stars, I watch over the beauty of nature. I grow your food. I carry your oceans. I cradle your cities. Because you are my children, even when you forget me. You mine my bones, burn my forests, and poison my rivers. Yet I still spin, still provide, still sustain. I am Earth. I hold your footsteps, your homes, your graves, and your dreams. All nature voices.